Imagine you're building a digital banking experience, something sleek, modern, something lunar. You've got the vision, the code, the passion. But here's the million-dollar question: is Lunar a good client? Not just in the they pay on time sense, but in the partner and innovation sense. We've all been there, right? The client that wants a carbon copy of what's already out there. The just make it look pretty client. The surprise me, but don't surprise me too much client. But what if, just what if, you found a client that pushed boundaries, that understood the digital landscape, that actually wanted to innovate? That's the promise we're exploring today. Lunar, the Nordic challenger bank, has made waves with its user-centric design and forward-thinking approach. But behind the app, behind the marketing, behind the hype, is there a client that fosters genuine collaboration? Let's break it down. First, consider their focus on user experience. Lunar isn't just about transactions, it's about building a community, a lifestyle. This translates to a client that deeply values design and user feedback. For developers and designers, this means working on projects that have a tangible impact, projects that are actually used and loved. Second, think about their tech stack. They're not afraid of embracing new technologies. They're building a platform for the future, not just patching up the past. This means you're not stuck working with legacy systems or outdated frameworks. You're working on cutting-edge projects, building your skills, and contributing to something truly innovative. Third, and perhaps most importantly, look at their communication. Collaboration isn't just about handing off a project, it's about open communication, clear expectations, and mutual respect. From what we've seen, Lunar prioritizes transparency and feedback, creating a collaborative environment where everyone feels valued. Now, let's be realistic. No client is perfect. There will be challenges. Tight deadlines, shifting priorities, the inevitable "can we just add one more thing?" But the key difference lies in how these challenges are addressed. Does the client see you as a vendor or as a partner? From the outside, Lunar seems to lean heavily towards partnership. They're investing in long-term relationships, not just one-off projects. They're building an ecosystem, and they want you to be a part of it. But let's go beyond the surface. We need to consider the practicalities. Are their briefs clear? Is their feedback constructive? Do they understand the technical limitations? Do they respect your time and expertise? These are the questions that truly define a good client. And from the accounts of those who have worked with them, the answers seem to be largely positive. There's a sense of shared vision, a commitment to quality, and a genuine desire to create something exceptional. Of course, your experience may vary. Every project is different, every team is different. But, based on what we've seen, Lunar presents itself as a client that understands the value of collaboration, innovation, and user-centric design. They're not just looking for someone to build an app, they're looking for someone to build a future. And if you're looking for a client that challenges you, inspires you, and values your expertise, Lunar might just be the perfect fit. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.